Hi.
Hi.
I'm Susie.
I'm Sharon.
I'm Connie.
Hey, we got a special guest with us today. We're going to try something special today. It might be entertaining. It might just be a big fiasco. But we're going to try, it's National Lash Day. I forgot to put on lipstick.
I forgot to put on makeup.
Yeah, and what's with this hair?
Oh, I know. I did take a shower in case you.
But anyway, that's the way we are.
If you have smell-o-vision, I smell good.
Yeah, you do smell good. Anyway, it's National Lash Day today.
Yep.
So we're going to try our hand at putting on lashes. Yeah.
Never, ever.
Yeah,
have
we've never done
that.
this before, so this should be interesting. So what we're going to do first, since we've never done it, I've read a little bit about it or watched. Well, actually, my coaches had a video not so long ago. They went and had them done at a professional salon, or they bought.
Would you ever really wear them somewhere?
Well, I think you could wear them for special
I
occasions.
see a lot of people.
Okay.
We
Yeah.
have Wisconsin days, so watch
Connie.
out.
Oh,
Connie,
yeah.
we have to
And
introduce.
she's just a head on the chair.
I have a hand here too.
Her last name is Jawiski. Did I pronounce that right, Connie?
Yes.
Jazz Whiskey.
No, say it, Connie.
Jazz whiskey.
Is
Jazz Whiskey.
Jazz whiskey?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, her husband would call Jazz. And so we're going to take and try our hand at this. It could be very entertaining. It could be gruesome. Who knows? But anyway, we're going to take our seats at the table here. Go ahead and sit down over
Okay.
there. And then I think I'm going to bring this in a little closer. And then whoever gets the furthest, we can do another camera shot.
Okay.
Okay, so we're all in here. Now what we're gonna do is, what we read is we're gonna take and cut them so they fit our
Here's
fit our
a.
eyes.
You don't want them too long.
Yeah. Which ones you're gonna go with?
I'll go right in the middle of the road there. What do you
Okay.
think?
Okay, I'm gonna take this
You're gonna
one
take
is
that
my left one. This one's my right one, and I'll pass it to you.
So is
So-
there difference from right and left here?
Yeah, I don't think so. So anyway, we got these here. I'll move in a little closer. We bought these at a dollar store. We didn't want to spend a bunch of money if
If it don't work.
yeah. So anyway, so now we're supposed to measure them. You'll have to take your glasses off, Connie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Waiting.
Okay, now is it this way left and right? Or
Well-
this way left and right?
I think they're both the
I
same.
don't think.
Well, you want the shorter lashes in your front.
You put it
You
on
know?
top of your
Oh,
lash
I
or on
see.
the
Do
bottom?
you see?
Okay.
So, and they have mirrors, and I didn't bring one, so maybe I'll just use this camera here. So, okay. Oh, I don't know if I can. Oh.
Do you
Ooh.
put them on top?
Look at that.
of
It's
the
like
lashes?
reversed. There's no way I'm going to do this in the camera. Okay.
Are
Ooh.
you gonna?
Okay. What now?
You put this on top like this,
No, it's going to go like this.
or you put the glue upside down?
The
Yes.
little lashes go in the
So
inside.
I don't have a mirror because I fly. So, I mean, it's like, it's hard to take a mirror along. So I'm going to go like this. Oh my gosh. We might have to help each other. Yeah, yours is, oh my God, it looks good. Oh, I gotta take a picture of you.
I don't know if it's on though.
Yeah, it looks on. Okay, don't blink too much. They would take a picture of you. Turn towards the light a little bit. There we go. Oh my God.
It doesn't feel right. though.
Okay, well, just push it down. Maybe it's too long. Can you figure yours out, Sharon?
Oh, I'm working on it.
Okay, so let's see if mine. I have trouble looking into this. Oh, look at mine. Okay, so how many hours is this going to take us to get ready here?
Should be done. It's cool.
I think I gotta cut mine a little bit. Whoops, now I dropped it. Yeah, good thing it's not at home because I'd have dog hair all over it.
I don't know that.
It might be too long.
I don't know that it's too long.
Well, they kind of look almost the same on both sides, don't they?
Well, you said the short one should be on the inside, right?
Right.
So I'm thinking if you start on the inside and work your way to the outside. You know what? I got so much sag in my eyelid that I'm gluing it on my eyelid.
You're not using glue, are you?
No.
Oh,
Not yet.
no.
Well, I got glue just in case we need to.
Hey, got one.
Oh, you got? Yeah, but it looks weird. Let me take a
Is
picture.
it upside down?
No.
Let me take a
It's
picture.
not inside far enough. I don't.
No. Yeah, so this is.
I can feel that, puppy. You got that off, right?
No, it's recorded. So don't be swearing or something.
Yeah.
No, I don't swear.
Well, if you do, then well, you know it's really hard to do it in this camera here because it's all reversed. I can't use that camera. I thought maybe that would work. So trying using this.
Yeah, this here, on this end, it's over that far, over too far, because it feels weird when I blink it touches. Just see the glasses.
Yeah, they'll probably hit against the glasses, right? Well, there's little
Yeah,
tools
they
out
do.
there that they say that you can use for your. Maybe we have to help each other adjust.
It's weird. It's way too long, it's touching my glasses. You guys, you wear glasses, don't you, Shane?
Mm-hmm.
Well, and we'll do it without your. We can do your other one, so we have a full set, and then we can take a picture of the before and after. And I'll
Well,
get
I
back into
need some glue on here to make it stay on. But I don't know if I'm ready to put glue on yet. See,
Did you get it lined up?
yeah. But do you?
But how's it look?
It's like you don't have any. Are you supposed to start at the back, at the outside, and work your way in? Where?
Well, we don't know. We've never done this before. So what do we do? I don't know. So, okay, I got mine on now.
You got them both on?
Yeah, but
How'd you get them on? You don't have any glue on them though.
they're still
sticky on
sticky
there.
on there.
They're sticky on there.
Well, mine aren't sticky.
That's just extra glue.
Mine aren't sticky.
Well, yeah,
Are you
that.
gluing it on your eye or your eyelid?
Okay, what
Above
you do
your
is
lash.
put your glue on. Okay, so you want to take and put your glue on the lash.
On
The lash. The
On here lash or
no,
on there?
on
lash?
your fake lash. You don't want to stick it on your actual eye.
Okay.
So you want to take the glue out and put a line of glue and then just leave it set. Was this the right size or did you need to
Yeah,
cut
I
it?
thought that was the right size. I thought it was okay.
It's upside down.
Here, let me see.
Something wrong with it. There's something not right.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Yeah, but it's curved that way.
I
Yeah.
gotta make sure I put the glue.
Okay, so
On the right spot. Okay.
and then my eye looks so crooked again. Okay,
I have no idea if there's even
Look
glue
at
on
this.
here.
here, let me see.
I want you to wear that. You've got it going the wrong direction. I think.
Okay, here.
There you go.
Here, you turn this around so you can see Connie.
Connie, put it on.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, Connie's got it.
Connie, look at there. That's perfect. Can you see yourself?
You know what would be fun is to have some of these for like Halloween or something. Okay, how long did
Well,
you
that's,
say
I think, the
now? That's
okay.
probably long enough that
Does
I've
it
let
look-
it.
But is it sticky on there?
Is it?
No, I don't think you got any on there.
Yeah, I did.
This one,
Did
this
you?
one
Yeah,
needs
but I
to
don't think you gotta wait very
Can we
long.
open the door? Yeah, we can open the
Well,
door.
now everybody is gonna know that.
stay really warm in here. I can't.
Okay, we'll open the door.
We'll do a section on menopause.
Well, it isn't even menopause anymore. You're way past menopause, aren't you?
Are you telling me I'm old?
Yes.
I've had mine since 32. I was age 32.
Menopause? You got it upside down now.
So now, what do I have to do? Go like this?
Yes. That's it. Yeah.
Oh.
Yep. There. I'll get pictures and we'll add pictures in because this close-up stuff is pretty funny.
Well, what do you think?
Ba, 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 ba.
Yeah, this one's not.
Let me see.
That one is not.
That one's perfect.
That was the first one. I put it on and there you go. But I need glue on this one. I can't put glue on this one unless I open my eyes and see what I'm doing. I mean, put my glasses on.
Oh yeah. You know what? See though. Now look into that.
Yeah?
What there's a big line in between your other lashes, so you'd almost have to put mascara to curl it in there. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Carol, can you put that on, please? Oh.
Okay, I see. So it should come down.
Oh, wait.
just
You
a
got it
little
wrong
bit
direction.
more.
No,
It
I
needs to
don't.
come down a little bit more.
It is right, isn't it? If it's not right, I put it on the wrong side.
No, you got it, but it's, yeah, there. Can you see it better?
I think they're just Susan's guinea pigs here.
Yeah, I think mine are on now.
Look in the mirror.
Yours looks good.
Well, let me use
Yours looks good, but I won't ever be able to wear glasses with it.
Yeah, they're too long. Okay. So, got them on here, but if you get close, you can see that weird, they turn up in the corner there. So that's the part I don't know. We need cosmetic help here. And there's Sharon trying to put hers on.
I'm trying to do the next one. The first one isn't really working good.
See, mine needs to be, mine needs
Yeah,
to be down closer.
yeah, look at, there, yeah.
It needs to be down further.
Yeah.
Closer to my eyelash.
Yeah, see, they're not easy to put on. Just so you don't get glued in your eye. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. But now, I wonder how you get that.
Well, if you're going to have these great big long top eyelashes, shouldn't you have something on the bottom? Yours looks good.
This one here is up further. This one here
Yeah.
has got to go down.
Here, Sharon, look at me real quick, like.
Where's our glue?
Right here.
Right there.
Oh, okay.
So, as you can see, we're having quite a bit of difficulty here. So, what we'll do is, you know, the struggle is real, and so maybe we'll just stop this video, and then we'll take the pictures of the after, and then, yeah. What do you think, Sharon? Should we SOS
Yeah.
out of here?
Let's
Don't
SOS.
call us if you need help. Call us if you know how to help us, please. We need help.
There we go. SOS. We need
SOS.
help.
Yeah, we need help. Anyway, so I got mine on, but if you look closely, you would definitely know that they're fake. And so we'll move in and do a close-up photo.
Oh, any eyelashes we see
well,
are fake.
not necessarily. I've seen some
That
good ones,
aren't?
but Yeah, but what I don't like
Some
is
people just fill in pieces, you know?
Well, yeah, but you know, like yours kind of goes straight across instead of curvy.
Yeah.
Mine does that too in the corner. So anyway, we're gonna sign off because we think this is a super fail on our part. But you know what? Maybe there's somebody out there that can give us some good advice on how to put nails. I was gonna say eyelashes. We don't want to put nails on our eyes, but eyelashes. So anyway, SOS.
Bye.
Bye.